Good morning, Kiwi Lane fans. Today is giveaway day from the August 2020 Kiwi Lane YouTube collaboration series that we did showcasing that August 2020 kit. I'm going to go to each video and capture that video address. We'll pick a random comment from each channel, and then I'm going to put all four of those into a spinning wheel of names, and we'll see who our lucky winner is. So our first video channel that we're going to grab is actually mine. So I'm just going to copy and paste that into this random comment picker. Looks like 31 people commented on that video. And then I can come down and pick a winner. So remember, this is just the name that is going to go into the other wheel. So Teresa, I'm guessing Corb, will get her name in the wheel. Let's go grab the next video address. This will be the address from Annis's video. See who our lucky winner is there. See how many comments we got on this one. So Annis had 30 comments on her video. And the lucky comment winner from her channel is Joanna Maniscalco. Hopefully I said that right. Okay. Go grab another one. Now we're grabbing from Beatrice's video, the address from hers. Address in. Beatrice had 30 comments on her video. And the lucky comment maker on her channel, Salty Beach Scrapper. I love getting to see the comments that everybody makes. Kind of fun that they even show us the comment from the person who it picks. And then the last one is going to come from Marissa's channel. Put that one in here. She had 26 comments on her video. And this name, Madeline Sears. Awesome. All righty. So where it says filter duplicate users, I just want to clarify that doesn't mean that if you comment on every channel, it's not going to count you. It just means that if you made multiple comments on that same video, your name would only be counted once on that single video. Just want to make sure that everybody knows that. So here we are in the wheel of names. I'm going to enter Teresa and Joanna. The Beach Scrapper. And Madeline Sears. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. Tap to spin. So our winner of the template set is Joanna Maniscalco, and I believe that was from Annis's channel. So we will get in touch with you, Joanna. It would be great if you can reply on the comments, and I'll get you an email address to get in touch with so that we can communicate and figure out what template set you'd like. Thank you everyone for joining us this month, and we look forward to seeing you next month. Bye-bye.